Top 5 Best Countertop Dishwashers. Number 5. SPT Compact Countertop Dishwasher. Striking features, style, and an Energy Star rating make this countertop dishwasher an ideal choice. Its compact size means it can fit easily under most cabinets in offices, apartments, and RVs. It has a dispenser for detergent and the rinse aid, while the indicator shows when the water supply is not sufficient or when it is. It also has an indicator that provides a warning when the rinse aid needs to be refilled. The dishwasher accommodates up to 6 place settings. Pros: durable steel interior, 6 wash options available, easily readable LED display, quickly connects to a large number of faucets. Cons: sides may get dented, water may leak from the bottom. Coming in number 4. Farberware FDW05ASBWHA. One of the best countertop dishwashers, this one from Farberware has an onboard tank that can fit up to 5 liters of water. It has 5 programs for washing and can also be used to efficiently clean bottles for babies and wash fruit. The small countertop dishwasher is portable and has 2 spray arms that ensure dishes are cleaned without any residual streaks. The water hose that is included can be used to quickly connect it to the kitchen faucet. Pros: air exchange available for drying, control panel with LED display, rapid 40-minute long cycle, water level is shown on the indicator, fits dishes with a diameter of 12 inches. Cons: adapter for faucet not included, customer service may not be prompt. Coming in number 3. Edgestar DWP62SV Portable Countertop Dishwasher. This portable dishwasher with countertop-friendly design can quickly wash your dishes and cut out unnecessary work in your kitchen. It can accommodate dishes, mugs, and cutlery used in 6 place settings. It has a digital display that is easy to use and an adapter that is designed to quickly connect to standard size faucets. Its space-saving design allows it to fit easily under a cabinet in kitchens and RVs. The dishwasher consumes about 2.85 gallons per wash. Pros: saves up to 61% energy compared to other dishwashers. Comes with 7 programmed wash settings. Spray arm delivers thorough cleaning. Water heater helps remove bacteria. Durable steel interior. Cons: may throw up errors frequently. Sides may dent easily. Coming in number 2. Danby DDW621WDB Countertop Dishwasher. A countertop dishwasher with a sleek design, this one from Danby has an LED display that is easy to read and use. Users can choose from the 6 available wash cycles ranging from intensive to soaking. Within the dishwasher, there is space for dishes, plates, and cutlery used for 6 settings. It is built to be easily installed and connected, and the dispenser deploys the detergent and rinse aid automatically, cutting down the amount of manual intervention needed. It also offers energy efficiency and can be used every day. Pros: long-lasting steel interior, easy to clean, sized to fit onto most countertops, fits within a small space for storage. Cons: cup for detergent may get stuck. After-sales support may not be very helpful. Coming in number 1. HomeLabs Compact Countertop Dishwasher. If you are looking for the best countertop dishwasher with an Energy Star rating, then this is a suitable choice. The HomeLabs dishwasher has a user-friendly control panel that makes it easy to use. Setting it up is also pretty simple. Just attach the inlet hose to the faucet adapter and then to a faucet, plug it in, and you are good to go. It also has a dispenser that is designed to hold the rinse aid, and an indicator light to guide you in refilling the dishwasher. Pros: compact and easily portable. Fits dishes for up to 6 place settings. Supports 6 wash cycles. Requires less water supply. Washes and dries dishes without scratches. Cons: dishes may come out with spots. Difficult to find the right amount of soap to use. Leaks may develop.